Lights, camera, भौकाल. Rajkumar Rao is back, guys.
इतना कुछ हो रहा है इस फिल्म में. There's a lot of style, swag. It's of course a larger than life commercial entertainer, but still the soul is at its right place.
Correct.
It's still so rooted. The characters are so grounded. मिट्टी से जुड़े हुए जो लोग होते हैं ना, उनकी कहानियाँ जब वो भौकाल मचाते हैं तो क्या होता है?
अपनी कहानी में हम खुद हीरो हैं.
पैदा नहीं हुए तो क्या बन तो सकते हैं मालिक.
With biceps even tighter and eyes blazing fire in Malik. Don't be fooled, this is just not another action film. This has got drama, dhamaka, and some serious depth. Today, we have with us the entire team of Malik. So, let's dive in with some swag and let's create some vocal, guys.
Thank you so much. I love your introduction. Lights, camera,
Wonderful.
भौकाल.
Nice.
So, पहली बात तो ये क्या है vocal? What a look, what a trailer. It's a beauty to see you like this.
Thank you so much. So kind of you. Now for us also it was the same feeling when I read the script. I thought ये क्या भौकाल लिख दिया पुलकित ने और ज्योत्सना ने. Because I loved what I read. It was so powerful.
Yeah.
The characters were so beautifully arced. Of course, I loved Malik's journey.
Yeah,
जिससे वो जहाँ से वो आता है, he's a nobody. He's from a very low strata of the society. From there, actually, of him becoming Malik, this journey I totally loved. And that's the reason I said yes to it. Of course, then Pulkit, who I've known for many, many years, he's a dear friend, a phenomenal filmmaker.
Yeah.
His passion of telling stories is infectious. Because वो खुद इतनी मेहनत करते हैं, आपको लगता है आपको और ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी है उनसे. And he gives you so much of trust and freedom that it becomes your own. And for all of us, I think we were just living like a family for 2 months together. And everybody's focus was only to tell this story in the most sincere and honest way.
I must say this, the dialogues, the lines, everything, it's so beautifully written. The trailer looks very promising. That character which you're playing of Malik, it got so much layers to it.
Yeah.
What impact do you think it will create, to the audience?
For me also, I think it's the first time that I'm doing something like
Yeah,
this.
absolutely.
I've never done a character like this in my even distant memory. I've played some aggressive characters before, but this one is gone
Insane.
way
Haven't
above.
seen you like that, just doing the last scene of where you're hanging people. It's
Yeah, it's very ferocious. It's very aggressive, very powerful. Yet there's so much ठहराव in this character.
correct.
So I think वही beauty है इस writing की, इस film की कि वो इतना कुछ हो रहा है इस फिल्म में. There's a lot of style, swag. It's of course a larger than life commercial entertainer, but still the soul is at its right place.
Correct.
It's still so rooted. The characters are so grounded. मिट्टी से जुड़े हुए जो लोग होते हैं ना, उनकी कहानियाँ जब वो भौकाल मचाते हैं तो क्या होता है?
Beautiful, beautiful. कहीं ना कहीं इसको रईस से भी कंपेयर किया जा रहा है कि
अच्छा, I've never, I don't know, मुझे पूछा एक ने और पहले भी.
but it's a compliment, of course.
It is a compliment,
It's a
of course.
compliment,
Anything
absolutely.
related to Shah Rukh sir is a compliment always.
But do you think audience should pursue it and see it in that original light of how Malik is made?
I think audience, it's not like audience should, audience will. Because it is a very original story, it is a very original film. It's got nothing, no influence of any film whatsoever. So audience, when they watch it, they'll be excited to see a very original story on screen.
So coming to you, Bamboda, how are you? First of all, welcome
I'm
to
good,
Delhi.
very good. Very
And
nice.
amazing journey, 350 plus films.
358, na, to be precise.
358.
350
yeah,
plus
wow.
films. Okay, so your character it's more in a grey zone. What has written in Malik? मतलब ऐसे रोल को बहुत स्टीरियोटाइप बनाया जाता है, बट इसको आपने बहुत डिफरेंट तरीके से पोर्ट्रे करा है जैसा दिख रहा है. So what was the challenge and how did you
मालिक तो यहीं पे जो लिखा है सारे जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं, not only my character, I'll say all the characters, as Raj was saying, it's a commercial film, entertaining film.
Correct.
But जो सारे characters हैं ना, very people will understand कि उन्हें कभी कहीं पे ये देखा या तो पढ़ा है इस आदमी के बारे में. It's not larger than life, मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं है. It's like something out of the world. So I really love always to play this kind of a character. और हर character के अंदर ना मुझे लगता है कि वो dark, grey is very important
Very
because
important.
it's more human. So I thoroughly enjoyed my character, and for Malik, I think not only my character, all the other actors, all of them were very strong. And for Malik, you need a strong team to stand, beside him or against him. So it's ultimately his writing and his direction who made us do something
Coming to
very
you,
different.
Pulkit, amazing direction, first of all. Congratulations on this. You know, working with such great actors. Process में मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा सरप्राइज किसने करा आपको पूरी इसमें शूट के टाइम पर?
सभी थे एक्चुअली, किसी एक को नहीं बोल सकते कि किसने सरप्राइज किया. सभी इतने अच्छे एक्टर्स का ensemble था कि whenever we used to shoot and किसी दिन अगर सारे एक्टर एक साथ है तो it was like coming to a acting school, watching them perform, give and take. And उसमें से the best quality about casting very good actors in the film is कि no one is working कि मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ.
Correct.
They all were working for कि फिल्म कैसे बेहतर बनाई जा सकती है, सीन को एक दूसरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट कैसे कर सकते हैं. No one was working to eat the scene. They all were making the scene.
Beautiful. Manushree, very gorgeous look.
Thank you.
Okay, so आपने ग्लैमरस रोल्स को लेके अनइन्फॉर्म्ड कैरेक्टर्स के लिए सब कुछ किया आपने. आपके लिए मालिक कैसे रिफ्लेक्ट करता है आपकी जर्नी एज एन एक्टर?
Well, I'm glad that I got to do it very early and at the right time. जब मुझे इस ऐसी फिल्म की चाह थी और ज़रूरत भी थी, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे स्टेज पे थी अपने लाइफ में जहाँ मैं चाहती थी कि मैं ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर करूँ where I can really explore, really grow and learn something different, and that's something that Malik gave me.
Thank you so much. This was a lovely conversation
Thanks
with
a
you
lot.
guys. Any last word to the people who are watching? We are Har Zindagi and we have a female audience of 20 million plus. So anything you want to say to the audience watching?
हेलो एवरीबडी आउट देयर. आई नो आप सबने इतना प्यार दिया है हमें, हम हमारे ट्रेलर को, हमारे टीजर को, और जिन लोगों ने लेडीज ट्रेलर को पे प्यार दिया है, स्त्री वाले विक्की को, तो हम कहना चाहेंगे इस बार हम कुछ भौकाल ले रहे हैं आपके लिए, लेके आ रहे हैं आपके लिए. इट्स लॉट ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट. So please come on 11 July in theaters to watch our film Malik and get thoroughly entertained.
Oh, watch our film Malik in theaters. There's definitely a lot to enjoy. There's action, there's drama, there's great music. It'll be fun, and it's something you need to do as a group.
So guys, please go and watch Malik in theater on 11 July. This is me, Ashima Jain, signing off. Please like, share, subscribe to Har Zindagi.